And your voice is not coming.
Now it is clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
मैम लेफ्ट થઈ ગયા.
Free lecture.
Good morning, Siddhi ma'am.
so why population is increasing fast? Clear?
Ma'am, your voice was not coming. We can't understand anything.
यस
So
मैम.
I'm
Yes,
explaining
ma'am.
now. Explanation. Why population
નાવ
so
also not coming.
now
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
better it is network issue. Don't stop. Okay. Okay, beta. Transportation facilities. First, there were no transportation facility. Nowadays, transportation facility has become fast, so people can reach to the hospitals fastly. Medical facilities are given nicely. There is arrangement, disaster management so that people are aware or people are alert after that which disaster, natural disaster is going to come. Due to this all activities, nutrition has activities. This is why birth rate or a population is speedily coming. Clear, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Boys, clear? Next.
Your
What
voice
do you
was
think? Birth
cutting. We
rate
can't
and death
understand
rate.
anything.
First you told yes, and then now you are telling that your voice is cutting.
But ma'am, you can hear me, so I can say yes. First, we can't hear you.
What do you understand by birth rate and death rate? What is the definition of birth rate and death rate? The number of birth per 1 year, number of birth of 1 year per 1,000 person. How many person? How many person? 1,000 person in a specific area is known as birth rate. Clear? The total births in 1,000 person in a specific area is known as birth rate. Clear, boys? What is birth rate? Boys, I am asking you. What is birth rate? The total births in 1 year per 1,000 person in a specific area is known as birth rate. Clear? Boys. And what is death rate? The number of deaths in 1 year per 1,000 person in a specific area is known as death rate. Clear? The number of deaths in 1 year per 1,000 person in a specific area is called the death rate. Clear? Boys, Muhammad Abbas, Arsh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is define population density. Next question is define population density. It is here. What is population density? Can anyone tell me?
Population
The
of India.
proportion of population residing in specific area. The proportion of population residing in a specific area is called population density, or we can tell it the average number of persons living in a per square kilometer in a specific area is termed as population. Boys,
Your voice is cutting.
clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
population density? The proportion of population residing in a specific area is population density, or in
Hello, ma'am.
the place of habitat from one place to another. When human one place to another, it is no migration. Clear? When the place be from one place and
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
We can't hear you, ma'am.
Hello. Ma'am, your voice was cutting, so we didn't
now
understand
it is
one of.
clear. Which question you can't understand, beta?
Ma'am, your voice was cutting, so I don't know.
Which question you have not understood?
Ma'am, the last you have understand.
Migration.
What is migration? Okay.
Yeah.
Migration means, wait, I'm showing you, beta. Migration is when human population changes their place of habitat from one place to another. It is known as migration. Now you are clear? When human
Yes.
population is changing their place of habitat
Yes,
from one
ma'am.
place to another, then it is known as migration. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question we are having definition of literacy. You have to explain the terms. That is literacy. First is literacy. Any individual who is 6 or above, who knows to read, write and understand any one language, then he or she may be considered literate. Clear? Any individual who is 6 years or above the 6 years and who is knowing to read and write, they are known as literate. Clear what is literacy? Boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question we are having age group. You have to explain the term that is age group. What is group? The group which it is into on the page. The group we have okay we hit the okay into various group. Clear? Age the the is called clear box clear box is population structure. It is population structure. The classification of population into various groups is called population structure or a population composition. Clear? What is population structure? Boys. Boys, clear what I am speaking? Zaki? Mohammed Abbas?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood the three terms age group, population structure, and third is literacy. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? Mohammed Abbas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is filling the blank. Next is filling the blank. Say how much it was. Boy, 360. Hindu. Then the sex ratio of Gujarat as per 2011 census is how much it is? Say, tell me. 9 how much? Last question. Approximately dash percent of total world population resides in India. How much population of total world is residing in India? 64%. How much? 64%. Clear, boys? Boys, clear the exercise which I have taught you. Boys, clear the exercise. Arsh,
Yes, ma'am.
Arsh, clear beta exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Ganyani, boys, boys, I am asking you. Saki, Mohammad Abbas,
Follow me.
clear beta. Clear exercise, clear. Okay. So now Mohammad Abbas, unmute your mic. Mohammad Abbas, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is human resources? What are human resources? Fast. Tell me fast, what are human resources? Boys, can anyone tell me? Arsh,
Yes, ma'am.
Arsh, what are human resources? Arsh,
Sorry, ma'am.
okay, you are not knowing. Mubin Khan, Mubin Khan,
Yes, ma'am.
what are human resources, beta? Can you tell me?
मैं अभी क्वेश्चन नहीं लर्न किया.
Okay, I will tell you. Human resources are qualitative characteristics. Human resources are qualitative characteristics. It means the ability of the person or which ability, which skill that person is having. It
And your voice is cutting.
which people are having, that is the ability or a skill. It means human resources. Clear? Arsh?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting in between. Then come after some time. So we can't understand now.
Now it is clear, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is clear.
Human resource Human resources are the qualitative characteristics which is possessed by people. That is the ability or a skill of a person are called human resources. Now it is clear, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. What is population density? Can anyone
Yes, ma'am. Proportion
tell?
of population in one area.
Sorry?
The proportion of population in one area.
The average number of people living in per square kilometer. The average number of people living in per square kilometer of a area. It means population density. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. What is literacy? What is literacy?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Any other? Can anyone tell me? Boys, Mohammed Abbas, beta you are knowing? Mubin Khan, what is literacy? Can anyone tell me, boys?
Literacy is the ability to identify, understand, interpret, create, and communicate and compute using printed and written material associated with varying context.
Beta, we can tell it any individual who is above 6 or at the age of 6 can read, write, or speak any one language. It's called literate. Literacy. Clear, beta? Lucky?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to speak. Any individual who is 6 or above 6 can read, write, or speak any one language is called literacy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is what is birth rate and what is death rate? What is birth rate and death rate? Can anyone?
Birth rate means the birth in 1 year, birth in the year 10 years.
Ma'am, can I
Number
share?
of birth? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, birth rate means birth in 1 year and death rate means death in 1 year.
Sorry, beta.
Birth rate means birth in 1 year, death rate means death in 1 year.
Number of persons.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Now it is clear, beta. Number of person, birth, number of birth per thousand people in 1 year are known as birth rate. Clear, beta?
No, ma'am.
Number of birth in 1 year per thousand persons are called birth rate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
100% clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
What is death rate? Death rate means number of death in 1 year per thousand persons. Number of death in 1 year per thousand persons are called death rate. Clear, beta?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is what is migration? What is migration?
Migration means shifting from one place to another place.
A person who is changing his or her habitat and who is changing his or habitat and moving from one place to another is called migration. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is migration? Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Boys?
ma'am.
Okay. Then Then, what is population census? What is population census? tell what is population census? Can anyone? Population census means 10 years or detailed information or collecting or receiving detailed information of a people is called population census every 10 years as per the rule of law of order of central government are called population census. Clear, boys? Boys,
Clear, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
100%? Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Human resources clear, boys? Population census clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt related to chapter number 6?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have completed your fair books? Have you completed your fair books, beta? Yes or no?
I'm only last chapter I have left.
Okay. So tomorrow you are going to come?
Yes, ma'am.
Boys?
Yes, ma'am. Going to come to tomorrow.
Very good. Okay. Bring your fire books with sanitizer, fire book, rough book, mask, your nasta box, water bottle, everything you have to come with completely full uniform. With complete full uniform. Clear, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? If you are having textbook, then bring your textbooks also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, no doubts, from tomorrow we are starting with chapter number 9, that our economic development. Clear? Okay, boys?
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, any doubt, beta? Anything you want to ask? Boys, anything you want to ask, beta? Mohammad Abbas, Naki Ali Raza,
Ma'am, we
Gani
think
Ali
about
Zaki, or huh?
we think about marks then.
Beta, sanitizers. If you are having textbooks, notebooks, rough book, and complete school uniform.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts, boys? Beta.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye.
वाह जक्की वाह वाह जक्की वाह
Anything else,
बोला
Mohammed
है
Abbas?
ए बैठी रहे હવે ए mom ayo mom kau besar ya all in si 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 Jackie serong na tao sih